guys, so a lot of you guys told me that my steering wheel is pretty ugly, and I did get a new one. It's right here. So this is gonna get installed maybe today, and we're gonna go to the shop right now and finish everything up. But on some real shit, let's talk about these tints. I love how these came out. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah. Alright, we got a tunnel. Mexico has the best tunnels. Alright guys, so this steering wheel was already equipped for me, and like the aftermarket parts in here were already equipped. So all I have to do is unscrew all of these and then unscrew these ones and then just throw this on. I got my tool, so let's get started. There we go. That looks so much better, in my opinion. Obviously, I still have to clean it up a little bit, but I think it looks good. I might get like a matching shift knob, and to be honest, I'm not really going crazy on the interior of this car. I like it the way it is, just simple. It needs to get cleaned up for sure. So right now I'm probably just gonna go get me some food, and I'm gonna hit up one of my friends that does like the wide body kits and stuff, and I'm gonna ask him if he can help me with these two panels in the back, just to get them to fit, because they don't fit right. So we're gonna have to cut them. And when he gets here, hopefully he comes today so I could get the full footage, and then tomorrow I'll show you guys how the car looks. Now, I don't want to just do everything based off of my opinion. What else do you guys think I should do to this car? All right, guys, so Dr. Noor just pulled up, and now we're going to be installing these. And tell him why these weren't fitting. It's garbage factory.
It's not garbage factory. Actually, when they make the mold, they need to finish everything. So whatever we need to do is just cut this area to make it fit around your aftermarket side skirt.
Yep.
Because you don't want to cancel the side skirt. This is made for a OEM body, so we need to cut it up to make it fit on top of that.
Yes, sir. So this part's on, and I broke that little piece, but I have that piece. We're gonna repaint these, but we're just gonna test fit them right now, and let's get started.
This is the measurement, so we need to cut just this much. So we're gonna start cutting it. We cut this area to let it fit around this, so it should fit perfectly. Yep, now it's perfect. So the only thing we need now is to make the hole and be all set.
Started. All right, so we got this side on. It looks pretty good. The only thing this side is missing is the same black trim, and then I'm gonna get that for the rear wide body kit, and then when that comes in, the car should be done. And another thing I'm gonna do is repaint them and get the car polished, because the paint is kind of old. And again, Shout out to my boy.
Or do something else besides the paint.
Yeah. Maybe something else. Who knows? But yeah, we got.
Paint for the future.
Yeah, it's just something in the future. Something small. But yeah, we got this done, and I mean, it looks good. Other than this little crack I have over here. Shout out to the last owner of the car. He hit it. I let him drive it, and then he hit my rear bumper on the pole and broke it. But I have another rear bumper that's gonna be coming in. That's gonna get fixed up for sure. But yeah, we got this done today. And honestly, I would not recommend buying these Chinese wide body kits because I'm not doing that anymore. Because every time I do it, I call him for help. Because these things need a lot of fitment work and stuff. So it's not really worth it. But hey, when you get them done right, they don't look bad. All right, guys, so it's super late right now. We just finished. I'm gonna show you guys what everything looks like, and this is just like the beginning. Like, this is just me putting everything on, and we just talked, and this car is gonna be a different color. We're not gonna keep lighting. So this car is not gonna be the same color. We're changing the color. I'm gonna show you guys what the car looks like right now, and it's not perfect, I know that. So don't tell me in the comments like nothing's looking good, whatever. No, it's gonna be perfect, and it's gonna be a different color. And I'm about to just show you guys a quick walk around of how the car is sitting as of right now. And sorry, I'm breathing kind of hard. I was like running, but let's do it. So this is how the rear wide body kit looks. So obviously I'm gonna get that black trim, put it over here, and future references, maybe the tire letters I'm gonna take those out. Rear bumper is gonna get fixed. This is how this side looks. And obviously I can't lower the car anymore. And if you don't know why, I mean, I live in Michigan. You could tell by the roads. So yeah, that's why we can't lower it anymore. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you all for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna have some really badass videos for you guys very soon. I'll catch you guys later.